WordPress has two editing modes. HTML, where you can see some of the code that's used to structure your pages, and visual mode, which uses a WYSIWYG editor. WYSIWYG stands for what you see is what you get, and is essentially creating little bits of code in the background. So I'll just quickly go through some of the different functions in the WYSIWYG editor. It's pretty similar to Microsoft Word in the functions that it offers. If you hold your mouse pointer over each of the icons, you can see that it brings up a little tooltip which explains what the button does, and also a quick key if you'd like to use that. So B for bold, I italic, strike through, and then we have some list items. So bulleted lists, and to get rid of, or to go back to normal editing, you can just press enter twice and it gets rid of the last bullet point. Numbered lists, justifications, so left justified, center and right alignment. Obviously we'd recommend left alignment for legibility. Creating and editing hyperlinks, so just select the text that you would like to make into a link, press the chain icon. You can type in a URL or web address to link to an external website, or if you're linking to content within your own website, you can simply select from the list of pages that appears below and simply click add link. If you're wanting to edit an existing link, you can just select it and press the link icon. To remove the link, just click that break icon. This is for inserting a more tag, which is essentially something that you would use for a blog or something similar, so we'll leave that one for now. There's a spell checker within WordPress, but we would recommend that you would use something a bit more robust like Microsoft Word for your proofing. Full screen editing, which basically sets the editor to your full browser window. Show and hide kitchen sink. So basically this is just to give you only the basic tools, or showing the kitchen sink is showing the advanced tools as well. Shortcodes. Is a little bit more advanced. It is a way that you can manage more advanced formatting options, such as columns, pull quotes, drop caps, that sort of thing. And then in the second row here we have different formatting style sheets. So again, very similar to the way that Microsoft Word works. So you can format that as a heading. And there's different heading hierarchies here that you can use. Or just paragraph text. Got underline here. We'd actually recommend not to use underline, as it generally signifies that the text is a clickable link, and people can get confused if it's not actually a clickable link, it's just underlined text. Force justify, changing the colour of your text. Here are some pasting options. So paste as plain text, basically what that does is it will strip out any formatting that might have been applied in Microsoft Word, and we actually recommend that you use that when pasting from Microsoft Word, as it does try to carry over some of the formatting. Pasting from Word, it will again try to retain formatting, and you can get some very unexpected results, so we'd recommend again not to use that. Use the paste as plain text. If you are getting some unexpected results with your formatting, you can select and just click remove formatting, and that will take away any unwanted code. Universal characters list. So this is where you can select fancy characters like copyright, registered trademark, TM, that sort of thing. Indent and outdent, so this is for your bullet points to give correct hierarchy. And we've got undo and redo here, and then also there's a help file, so if you do need any extra documentation to refer to, here's where you can find it.